Hello everyone. When teaching online using Zoom, sometimes it becomes necessary to pair students up and to put them into individual breakout rooms so that they can take part in discussions. In this picture you can see that 3 pairs of students will be put into 3 separate rooms. Once they're in these rooms, they are not able to hear what happens in the other rooms, and neither will the teacher until he enters each individual room. Then he can provide support. Once a student is invited into a room, this sign will show up. They have to click on join to enter the room, and then they will see this sign. In the next part of the tutorial, I'm going to explain how to activate breakout rooms through the settings so that the students can enter those rooms. In order to enable breakout rooms in Zoom, you need to go to the settings in the corner. Then at the bottom of the screen, click on View More Settings. Then scroll down, keep scrolling down until you get to the section about breakout rooms. Click on these 2 options over here to enable breakout rooms in Zoom. When using breakout rooms with students, the most important thing to do is to set a clear task so that they know what they'll be doing in each room. You should also let them know that you won't be able to see or hear them while they're in breakout rooms until you choose to enter so that you can offer support. The first thing you need to do is to click on the More panel and then move up and select, second from the top is Breakout Rooms. Once you've clicked on Breakout Rooms, it will automatically assign students. By default, I like to choose manually, and in order to arrange my students into individual rooms. Then I will click Create Rooms. Once I've clicked Create, you'll see the names of the students appear on the right hand side of the screen, and you can tick the ones which you want to go into the first room. I've got 3 students, which is an odd number, so 1 will be remaining, will be talking to me in the main room. Once you want to click on Open Rooms, the students will be assigned as you can see. If I want to enter a room to offer support, I can click on Join. That will allow me to enter and monitor the students. When I want everyone to go back to the main room, I have to click on Close All Rooms at the bottom of the screen, and then they can share what they've discussed in the breakout rooms with the main group. So I'm going to go and click, and as you can see, everyone is now back in the main room, and then we can discuss things further. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe for more free videos.